Hello everyone, welcome back to my corner. Today we are opening the March 22 Crazy Cat Lady box. Before I start, I just wanted to point out that the box arrived kind of messed up, so I'm just going to show you very quickly. So the box was actually cut all the way through and it's completely crushed, so I feel like someone stepped on it or something. I'm not sure what happened, but I was really worried because it's kind of heavy this month and I was worried that something would be crushed in it. So I did ask my father to open it just to check if something was broken. He checked everything and he told me everything's fine. So it's not going to be like super well wrapped or anything like always. Just so you know. Of course, if it had been broken, I could have written to them and they would have sent me the item that was broken. They would have sent me a new one. They are super nice. They are super like they answer to my videos. They do watch my videos. I'm not sponsored by them. I just love their company so much. Yeah, if you saw them comment on my videos, I didn't ask them to. It's just that they do watch my videos. So, and they also like write to me on Instagram and everything. So that's pretty special and I'm super happy. I love them. So let's begin. As I said, it's gonna be mixed all around because my father looked into it, but okay. So this is the little card. Oh, this is so cute. So it's like an orange cat. It's super cute. The artist is Draw Han. So that's super cool. I'm not gonna look into it too much. Of course, the paper wrap here. Okay, so let's see what we have. First, a toy. So the toy is Catnip Shamrock. Let the shenanigans begin. That's super cute. I would not have known that that's what it was called. Shamrock? Yeah, I don't think I would have known. Oops. Alice is playing with the toys already. So this is super cute. It's kind of tough. So I think it's gonna be great for the cats. That's cool. Sorry, can you give me the, okay, thank you. So this is the Catnip Shamrock toy. It's $6. So this is super cute. I'm not gonna give it to the cat right now because there's a plastic thingy that I cannot get out. So we'll do that later. Let's look at the other toy. Oh, is it like a bird? Oh, it's a spring chick catnip toy. So it's a chick. It's super cute. It's like a bowl. Yeah, it's super fun. Oh, yeah, there's like a catnip ball, I think, inside. Oh, cute. I always love their toys. My cat is super like, what's going on? Because I turn off the fountain because I don't want you to hear like the like last time. It was kind of loud. So now it's like, oh, why is it not working? He's smelling everything. So cute. Look at her. Isn't she cute? Okay, so let's continue. So the t-shirt. It's a beautiful day to stay home with my cats. Yes. The color is super interesting. It's like a green with some gray, I feel. Oh, there's a hole in it. No! There's two holes. What happened? Maybe that's because the box was crushed. No way. So I'm gonna show you. There's two holes. Look. Oh no. I'm gonna have to write to them. Is there any other holes? Oh, that's so sad. What are you doing? Nico is eating the plastic. No. Super freaking cute. Nico, you're taking all of the box. Hmm? Oh. Oh. You're making too much noise. Come here. Come here. Okay, so that's super sad, but I am going to write to them. I feel like I always talk to them about stuff like that recently. So, and I feel like if I pull on it or if I wash it, it's gonna rip even more because it's not at the seams. It's really like in the middle. So I'm not gonna pull too much on it. But that's really, really sad. The t-shirt is $23. So the next thing, what is it? So there are like two things. Is it like a book thing? What is that? Okay, let's see. It's kind of heavy. So I feel like that's part of why the box was heavy. So you screw this, or it's something to like put in your garden, maybe. Like it's a packet. Let's see what it says. Sweet, weather-resistant kitten to add lots of personality to your garden or lawn. $19. Yep. So it's a flat cat garden kitty. So I do have a garden, so I'm gonna be able to put that in. That's super cute. I am going to use it, but right now it's winter, so I'm not gonna be able to show you what it looks like, but this is super cute. That's the kind of stuff that I wanted to buy at a certain time, and I really didn't know what to buy. I didn't know if it was kitsch or not. Like I wasn't sure, so I didn't buy anything. So to have this, I'm super happy. So the next thing is this. It's heavy, and it was on the side that was crushed. So let's see. Smells strong. Oh, it's big. What is it? Oh, it smells bad. What is that? What is it? Oh my God, what is it? What is that? What's... I'm confused. What is that? Oh, okay. I was very, very confused. It's a perfect cat picnic blanket. Oh, I don't know why. I saw it was written Cat Lady Box and I thought it was a box. So I was not understanding. But Cat Lady Box is the name of the subscription box. So this is $27. It says open it up to see the amazing colorful cat design, waterproof, large and easy to clean. So this is, I don't know if you see, like, there's like little cats on it. It smells really bad. On the other side, it's like a, I don't know how you call that, but it's waterproof. Let's see if it's okay. So the blanket looks okay. I'm not gonna fold it because I, by mistake, it kind of got in the fountain water. So I'm just gonna wait for it to dry. But it smells really bad. It smells like chemicals. So I probably should like fold it and in the summer just put it outside just to get the smell out. But right now it smells really, really bad. I feel like I can't talk right now. It smells like, I don't know, like a really, really heavy plastic of chemical. It's really not good, but I guess it does comes out, but yeah. Oh, that smells bad. Okay. So overall, I feel like the box was a really good value. I have like something at $27, something at $19 that I am going to be able to use. I don't do a lot of picnics, but I have a friend that I like going to the park and just sit on the ground and we talk like for hours. So probably gonna bring this and we can just sit on it. The little toys are really cute, so I am going to go play with the cats with them. I'm gonna get rid of the plastic thingy on it so they don't eat it. And yeah. So comment down below, tell me what you think about the box. What do you think about the blanket, the t-shirt, the rip in the t-shirt, the fact that the box was completely crushed? Like, I want to hear your thoughts. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. If you like this video, hit the like button so YouTube knows that you like this video. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.